Severe weather warning has been cancelled by the Bureau Meteorology Victoria. The immediate threat of severe weather in Victoria has passed, but the scene will continue to be monitored. And welcome to another update for Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where the tropical scene continues. Bureau Meteorology for the Western region, tropical cyclone 3-day outlook. At this point in time, there are no significant tropical systems in the region, none expected to develop in the next 3 days. However, as stated in a previous update, a trough currently lies over waters near Indonesia, well north of the Northern Territory. There is a chance that a tropical low develops in the trough early next week, possibly moving southwest and being over waters well north of Western Australia later next week. There is also a chance this low develops into a tropical cyclone late to next week. However, for today and the weekend, percentages are very low, although yesterday another international source, we now have Invest 93S located 6.8 degrees south, 133.3 degrees east, and at this point in time it's 1010 millibars and winds in knots 15. And on the screen are a couple of tracks for the Invest 93S. The NOAA floaters. A bit hard to work out where the circulation center is. Joy Typhoon Warning Centre has a 90W up there in the Westpac, up to medium. Upper level divergence. It's pretty strong around 40 knots. Cape York. Wind shear. "24-hour shear tendency." Information's at the bottom and right hand side of the screen. A 50 millibar vorticity, and we have active area to the west southwest of Tasmania. Now we have a look at various models, starting off the GFS. And it's a 500 millibar geopotential height and pressure. The Navy's NAFGEM, and a couple of them are picking up on Invest 93S, and this is the, I think it's a GFS. Oh, no, the Canadian model and the GFS. Tropical cyclone formation probability guide, and you've got 90W, Invest 93S, and possibly another one or two areas of interest total precipitable water. Information's on the scale right hand side of the screen. Once again, the GFS accumulated precipitation model. This is out to 156 hours. Now we have a look at what's making the local weather scene. Bureau of Meteorology has a strong wind warning down there in New South Wales for the Eden coast. Strong wind warning for the East Gippsland coast, and the Bureau down there in Victoria has cancelled one for the West Coast. Bureau of Meteorology has issued an initial minor flood warning for the Kiowa River in Victoria. A trough and cloud ban across northeastern Victoria brought rain and storms to the district on Thursday and into Friday, and a report of a tornado. Strong wind warning for the northwest, southwest, central west coast, and a small craft alert for the southwest state of Tasmania. Now we have a look at the 12-hourly and 24-hour rainfall from the Bureau of Meteorology. And the rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. And tropical cyclone Fanny up there in the Bay of Bengal is now impacting the Indian country. We will continue to bring the latest information on the possible developing tropical system Invest 93S.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.